with another lecture of English grammar for children. This is Faiz Mahmood. Today we will learn what adjective is, what it does in the sentence, and how can we know that this word is an adjective or another word. The definition of adjective is it is a word used to qualify the noun or a word naming an attribute. Attribute meaning goodness or badness of a person or something, of a noun or explains the noun. After knowing the definition of adjective, let's see in the sentences where the adjectives are, where these are placed, and how can we know that this is an adjective. He is a brave man. Adjectives always qualify or comes with the noun. Man is a noun. Man is a noun, and this word brave has been used with this man. Adjectives qualifies the noun. This is the quality of a noun. So the word which tells us the quality of a noun is called adjective. Lisa is wearing a sleeveless shirt today. Shirt is a noun, and the word sleeveless is telling us about the shirt, the kind of shirt she is wearing. So, sleeveless is an adjective. The soup is not edible. Either adjectives are used as a quality, as an explanation. Here, this word soup is a noun, and this word edible is an explanation of the soup. The quality of the soup has been made clear by this word edible. So, edible is adjective used with this noun. Usually, adjectives are placed before a noun, but if it is used to explain something like in this sentence, these are placed after the helping verb because is not edible is an explanation of the soup. And in this situation, these are used at the end. He writes meaningless letters. Letters are noun, meaningless. The word has been used and qualifying the letter, so meaningless is an adjective. Ben is an adorable boy. Boy is a noun. This word adorable has been used with a noun to explain or qualify to tell us the quality or attribute of a noun. So the word telling us the quality or attribute of a noun is called adjective. Linda's hair is gorgeous. Here it is an explanation of hair. So it has been used after the helping verb. Here is a noun and this is his explanation. So gorgeous is explaining the noun. Gorgeous is adjective. Here are some other words, some other sentences. The glass is breakable. Glass as a noun, the word used to explain this or tell us the quality of the noun is breakable. This breakable is adjective. I met a homeless boy. Boy is a noun. This word has been used to qualify or tell us about the boy homeless. This homeless is adjective. It is a mathematical puzzle. These are also adjectives. Puzzle is a noun. And what kind of a puzzle it is? This word mathematical is telling us, so it is qualifying the noun. This mathematical is an adjective. We did a biological experiment in the lab. Experiment is a noun and biological is an adjective. It's explaining what kind of experiment they have made. The polar bear is threatened. Polar is an adjective. Bear is a noun. So, polar bear, this is a noun. Polar is a noun. This is also a noun. It may be taken as an adjective, but the real adjective in this is threatened. Threatened has been used as an adjective to explain the polar bear. Mary has a collection of Russian dolls. Russian is an adjective. All the nationalities, all the nationalities, British, Russian, American, these are used as adjectives. So Russian has been used to explain the word noun dolls. So Russian dolls is an expression where Russian is an adjective and dolls are noun. Now we may see some suffixes which make us easy to recognize the adjectives. Some adjectives ends with al, like accidental, ary, like customary, full, like skillful and beautiful, ic, athletic, ish, foolish, less, powerless, lee, costly. Lee is not always adjective. Be very careful. Lee words are also adverbs. ous, poisonous. IVE, creative. ABLE, capable. IBLE, responsible. ING, gerunds are used as adjectives also. The words with ing, which we use in present continuous tense or past continuous or future continuous tense. Third form ending ed or en, third form of the verb, they are sometimes used as adjectives or quality of a noun. So these are some of the suffixes through which you can recognize which word is an adjective. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my Facebook page. Thank you very much. We will meet in the next lecture. Assalamu